Helo guys, shwmae?
Helo.
Sut ydych chi'n teimlo heddiw, Macsen?
Da.
Okay. How are you feeling, Mum?
Da iawn, diolch.
Good. So, would you like to introduce yourself to me? So, where are you from and what's your name?
Yep, so I'm Natalie. I live in Newport and I've always lived in Newport. I am a Welsh I started learning Welsh, but I haven't got as far as I would have liked to have got with it. Okay. So, yeah.
Would you be willing to learn more, and are you open to learning more?
Yeah, I've always wanted to learn more. It's the main reason why we sent the children to Welsh language school, is because I feel it's really important that we speak Welsh in Wales. For me, I wish I'd learnt more as a child, because I think it's a lot more difficult as an adult and it takes a lot more headspace and time and commitment, and sometimes I think we reach a stage when you can do the basics. So I have what I would call toddler Welsh, so I describe it. You know, I can do all the colours, I can have basic conversations, I can ask him to tidy his room and things like that. But once I start to get into proper conversations, I sort of lose my confidence. So I would like to. It just is a matter of time and the capacity to be able to do it. But I'm really keen.
100%. That sounds amazing. It's nice that you're able to bring in your Welsh that you do know to help your son's education as well, and to also make yourself feel good about it, knowing that you're incorporating that into his life as much as you can. Beth yw eich enw?
Enw fi'n Macsen, a fi'n byw mewn Cymru.
Beth yw eich hoff peth i gwneud?
Siarad Cymraeg.
Beth yw eich hoff gwers yn y ysgol, a pam?
Math, achos fi'n really fan math a mae'n hwyl.
Wyt ti'n hoffi wneud mathemateg yn Cymraeg?
A fi'n hoffi wneud Saesneg hefyd.
Okay. Pam wyt ti'n hoffi gwneud Saesneg?
Achos mae'n neud i fe, so fi'n gwybod lot o geiriau Saesneg, dim ond just Cymraeg. Fel fi'n gwybod sut i sillafu geiriau arall. Achos cyn fi wedi wneud Saesneg, fi ddim yn gwybod sut i sillafu lot o pethau sy'n Saesneg.
Wyt ti'n mwynhau siarad Cymraeg?
Ydyn.
Pam wyt ti'n mwynhau siarad Cymraeg?
Achos mae lot o geiriau diddorol.
Beth yw eich hoff lliw?
Coch. Mae hoff gair fi o Cymraeg yw fel bore da, prynhawn da, oherwydd ti'n dweud e fel, ddim yn gwybod beth ydy yma Cymraeg, fel merrily. Fel hynna?
Ie. Beth ydych chi eisiau cael allan o y iaith Gymraeg? Pam ydych chi'n tyfu lan a ti'n mynd y hunach, beth ydych chi eisiau gwneud gyda hynna?
Fi eisiau beth fel, os fi'n mynd i rhywle, mae dim ond pobl yn gallu siarad Cymraeg, fel, pan fi'n hyn, fi gallu siarad gyda pobl sy'n gwybod Cymraeg, dim Saesneg neu.
Wyt ti'n dysgu mam Cymraeg at adref?
Bach.
Wyt ti eisiau hi dysgu mwy?
Ydyn.
Okay. A beth yw eich hoff bwyd?
My hoff bwyd fi yw spaghetti.
Spaghetti efo meatballs neu?
Just spaghetti.
Ar ei hunain. Okay, wel diolch yn fawr y dau ohonoch chi. Wedi bod yn neis i siaradu y dwy ohonoch chi am Cymraeg a beth sy'n mynd ymlaen yn Cymru, a wedyn neis i cael ti dau yma. Diolch.
Diolch.
Thank you.